Hi guys, welcome to Chillipot kitchen. My name is Darshini. Today I'm going to share a super yummy and healthy soup recipe with you all, which is the lentil chili. It's a vegan and gluten-free soup recipe. It's healthy and tastes so delicious. This easy instant pot lentil chili is packed with flavor and plant-based protein. It has a nice thick texture and is ready in under 40 minutes. It's great for meal prepping. You can store it in an airtight container and refrigerate it for 4 days, or you can freeze it for up to 6 months. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Looking for more instant pot or electric pressure cooker, air fryer and instant pot blender recipes? Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more easy, healthy and tasty video recipes. I post new videos every Tuesday and Friday. Please do click the notification bell icon to get an update on my new videos. Let's check on the ingredients. Check the description box below for the written recipe. We need 1 tablespoon of olive oil, half cup of chopped red onions, 4 cloves of chopped garlic, half a cup of green or red bell pepper, half a cup of chopped carrots, 3 cups of tomatoes. You can use canned or fresh tomatoes. Washed and drained 1 cup of green or brown lentils and a half a cup of red lentils. The spices we need are chili powder, adjust it as per your spice level, 2 teaspoons of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, salt as per your taste, and half a teaspoon of smoked paprika. We need 2.5 cups of broth or water, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, 1/4 cup of freshly chopped coriander leaves or cilantro. For toppings, we need pepper, chopped onions, crushed tortilla chips, avocado, and jalapenos. Let's get started to see how to make lentil chili in the instant pot. Select saute mode in your instant pot. Add olive oil. Once the oil is hot, add the garlic, onion and bell pepper. Saute it for 2 to 3 minutes until the onion starts to turn translucent. The onion is cooked. Cancel the saute mode. Add tomatoes, carrots, green lentils, red lentils, salt, chili powder, cumin powder, coriander powder and smoked paprika. I'm adding 2 cups of broth now. We'll save a half a cup of broth for later use. Mix it well. Close the lid and make sure that the vent is in sealing. Select pressure cook or manual mode and set the timer for 12 minutes in high pressure and walk away. Here are some tips. Tip number 1. If you want to make an oil-free version, just dump in all the ingredients and do the pressure cook. Tip number 2. It's a meatless version. If you want to add meat to it, add grounded meat while you are sauteing garlic and onions. Once the timer is finished, allow the pressure to release naturally for 10 minutes. Then release the remaining pressure. Open the lid carefully. Guys, it smells so good. Look at that, the lentils cooked perfectly. If the chili feels a bit thick, stir in another half a cup to 1 cup of broth. Check the taste and adjust the salt and spices according to your taste. Add lemon juice and cilantro. Give it a mix. Serve it hot and garnish with your choice of toppings. I like to drizzle a pinch of black pepper powder, chopped onions, sliced jalapenos, avocado, corn chips and cilantro. This is my favorite. Enjoy it hot. Do try this healthy vegan version of lentil chili in your instant pot and enjoy it with your family. Thanks for watching my video. If you like the video, give a thumbs up. Do try this recipe at your home and give me your feedback in the comment section below. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Pin the recipe on Pinterest. If you have any questions or feedback, write it in the comment section below. I will respond to it as soon as possible. And see you guys in the next video. Bye.